Hey, and welcome back to Rev Limited. Today in the shop we will be addressing the highway wind noise and the water leaking into this NSX-T. If your top is just squeaking or rattling, check out the video I did on how to fix a squeaking Targa top. All of the Targa seals in this car are tired and damaged, so we replaced all 4 of them. Start by removing the sun visors. Followed by the A-pillar covers. Remove the 2 Phillips head screws in front of the headliner. And then the 2 hidden screws here. Pull the front section of the headliner towards the rear of the car to remove. Alright, now we can remove this clamp in the front on the A-pillar. It's held in by 2 10mm bolts. It's these 2 closest to the end. The top section has adhesive all the way across and is not easy to remove. Take your time and be careful using pry tools because you can damage the paint. Clean and remove as much of the adhesive as you can to give yourself a nice clean surface for the new seals. Okay, here's the new Targa seal for the front. Dry fit the weather stripping without removing the adhesive backing. Fit the rear of the seal into the channel. Install both alignment tabs to align the rubber. This will help hold it in place to make sure you're centered. So the front section still has this double-sided tape. Now that the back section is in the groove, now we can install the double-sided tape. Remove both alignment brackets, and then remove the adhesive backing and stick all of these in the corner. Make sure you align the 3 pins before sticking the adhesive down. I've already dry fit this, so I'm ready to go. Next, reinstall the front alignment brackets. For the front section of the headliner, make sure you install these tabs. Just slide them in first, and then mount the mounting screws. The B-pillar seal is much the same as the front, but you don't have to remove any covers. Remove the 2 hidden screws here. Remove the adhesive and clean the surface. Now dry fit the weather stripping without removing the adhesive backing. Mount the rubber in place using the 2 hidden screws as your alignment. Next, using a plastic pry tool, coerce the rubber into the channel. This is not easy. Now that the rubber is in the channel, remove the 2 screws. Okay. Prepare the double-sided tape. Remove the string there. And remove this one here. Now we also have an alignment pin in here as well. This goes into this hole here. And then also make sure that your hole still lines up in the rear for the screw. Next, sides of the Targa top. I will skip how to remove some of these interior pieces. Please watch my squeaky Targa top fix video on how to safely remove the plastic panels. These can easily be damaged if you're not careful. These pieces are very straightforward. Remove the Phillips head screws and peel the rubber back. Clean all the old adhesive and dirt, giving yourself a clean surface for the new seal. Make sure all of the rubber is in the side channel all the way down and reinstall the screws. Then stick the adhesive. Now reinstall your anti-squeak felt tape and reassemble the top. Okay, now that the side is in, let's do the pops. Well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, comment, and come back for more. Thanks.